Hey guys, I'm going to keep this very short. Recently, my Twitter account was compromised, and I just want to show you how you can recover your account. And it took me about 4 to 5 days to get the account back. I would show you this, and I would also appreciate that you don't click on any links that I sent to you on Twitter. Do not download any file that is sent to you by Twitter, by unsuspected persons. If you must open either of those links or files, ensure you open it on a device that has no link to any of your data. So maybe you only use that device to play games. Then you can test it on those devices. But if you know you've ever used your tab or the Google Chrome or whatever browser on your system, do not open that link or download those files. Without any further ado, let's get straight into the video. So all you need to do when you discover that your account has been hacked is to go to this platform or to search X help. Now, initially you would search for Twitter help, but now it's X help. You can search this on Google and you would find it. Now you can navigate down here to appeal a locked or suspended account. There are so many things you can do, but what we want to do is regain access. So we'll click on regain access, and you can still follow through with the other processes. Now, regain access, you would land on this page and you need to just follow the different prompts. I can accept or refuse non-essential cookies. I need to regain my access to my X account, and then you would choose, I believe my account is hacked or compromised. More information will come in. Are you currently able to log in? I doubt you'll be able to log in. So you select no, and then put in your hashtag here. I'll just put in @Elon. And then your email address, you can put in whatever you want to put in here. And then you need to choose the last time you were able to access your account. And this is pretty much it. You just need to follow the prompt. But one major thing I want you to pay attention to is your email address. Now, this email address is the email address that was on the account, because for these people to hack your account, they have changed the email address, they've removed your phone number, and they've changed your password. So for you to be able to do the forgot password and recover your account, you would need to impute an email address. So since your email is not there, Twitter needs this information. So ensure you put the exact email that was on the account prior to the time it was changed by the hackers or scammers. Now, once you've done that, you can now proceed to choose what confirmation method you use to open the account the first time. Now, I created my account like 10 years ago, so then email was not a big thing. So I used phone number. So you can select phone number. Did you connect an email address? Yes. And then more information, more and more. Select the current country you're in. And once you're done with this, take a screenshot of maybe messages that account has sent to your friends, or even your account. Whatever images you can get, you can upload. This is not compulsory, but I would advise you to upload at least one image. And then once you do that, just submit. And that's all. You don't need to do any other thing. Now, Twitter is going to send you a message. They're going to send you a mail in the next 3 to 5 days, letting you know how you can recover your account. Basically, what they would send to you, because I made the mistake when I was filling the form where it says email, I added another email. So when they sent me the email, I can't show it to you for confidentiality. When they sent me the email, I had to reply to the email with the email that was on the account, because the email they wanted to change it automatically to was already attached to another account. So they said, hey David, this email is already attached to another account. Please reply to this email with the email that you would want us to replace the current email on the account to, and we will do this for you right away. So I replied after like 5 minutes of seeing the message, and then within 1 minute, they sent me a confirmation that the email has been changed successfully. I went to the account, clicked on change password, and I saw that, yeah, I imputed the email. It was accepted. My password was changed. You get in. Once you get into the application or your app, the X app, that's the Twitter app, just ensure the email is correct. Ensure the password you've changed it to is different from whatever password you've used on your other devices. And also ensure that you turn on two-factor authentication and do not click on any links again. I hope this helps you guys, as this was done. This happened to me September 18th, 2024. So this is the most recent support you can get on a case like this. I hope you recover your account. And if you do, please do let us know in the comment section that this helped you, so that other people can also have this confidence that